Good morning to everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wake up. Sorry. So today I wake up a bit early and I just gonna come out here and shoot something. So now I'm at the nature reserve in Greifensee. So here there are quite plenty of birds sometimes, and I'm not sure about today that what we're gonna find. And should be a lot of birds this morning. So we'll see. Hey everyone, and I basically found. Oh my gosh, look at it. I knew that it was a lot, but I didn't expect this a lot this time. That's crazy. So I've been here a few times already, and I got a lot of picture of cormorants before, but it's not so good. So today is a bit windy and it's a bit colder than usually. Alright everyone, I think probably that's it for this video, and I hope you like the footage and the pictures. So that's it for now, and bye, see you next video.